Thank you, and thank you to all the fine gentlemen, senators and congressmen, and my ally David Cass here this afternoon. My name is Kristen Crowell, and I'm the executive director of Fair Share America, an organization that is harnessing the power of people all across this country to make sure that the billionaires and corporations pay their fair share. I just spent the last 10 weeks on a bus tour traveling this country from Alaska to Arizona, standing in front of rooms of hundreds and thousands of people, the American public that is fed up about the big ugly law and the consequences on their pocketbooks and their finances, all at expense of giving the rich and corporations more of our hard-earned tax dollars. People of all different backgrounds, Democrats, Republicans, independents, know that this game is rigged. And they know that it's rigged against them and in favor of the ultra-rich. These are regular working people. We're talking farmers and small businesses, nurses, veterans. These are folks who are working 1 or 2 jobs right now to make ends meet, all while they're seeing the cost of living, groceries, and healthcare skyrocket, while they watch those at the top get even better and better off. This deep inequality and unfairness is wholly unsustainable for our economy and for our democracy. People all over this country are ready for bold solutions. They are ready to do the work and organizing to make the rich pay their fair share. They are ready to get behind and stand with the members of Congress and the Senate today in support of the Billionaires Income Tax. Working families, we're taxed on every paycheck. Billionaires should not get out of paying their fair share just because their wealth is tied up in Wall Street's assets. This bill is about taxing wealth like we tax work. It's also about bringing back billions of dollars that have been stolen from our taxpayers through Donald Trump's big ugly bill. In 2022, I led a ballot initiative campaign to pass a fair share amendment or the millionaire's tax in Massachusetts. We won that fight, and since then, the new law has raised over billions of dollars for state investments such as public transportation and investments in public education. The wealthy didn't flee Massachusetts, as our opponents would have us believe, and surprise, that ballot initiative and the effect of the policy is wildly popular. We can make the ultra-rich pay their fair share, and in doing so, make investments in families and communities and help everyone live a better, happier, safer, and healthier life. For all of the fear and frustration that I've heard traveling the country this summer, there is also plenty of hope. People haven't given up. We're organizing, we're rolling up our sleeves, and we're still fighting for something better. That's why we must support big, bold solutions at this moment, like the Billionaires Income Tax. And I thank these senators and members of Congress for standing with the American public and putting something bold forward. Thank you.